I begin in the name of gracious God, the merciful, the beneficent. Hi dear student, I am Sir Jahangir. Today we are going to start our 53rd lecture of second year English. This is related to grammar. So if you remember that in 50th lecture I told you something about direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. And I told you at the time, when you change a sentence from direct to indirect speech, the first change is the change of pronoun. The first change is the change of pronoun, and today we are going to start our second change. Second change is the change of tense. The change of tense, which is the second change. While changing from direct to indirect speech, our second change is the change of tense. If you remember that in that lecture, whatever the examples I taught you, in those examples I told you that no change of tense. When no change of tense? If your reporting speech, the portion which is outside of inverted commas, if your reporting speech is in present tense or in future tense. If your reporting speech is in present tense or in future tense, then the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Clear? You know, there are three main types of sentences: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Whenever our reporting speech is in present tense or in future tense, our reporting speech is in present tense or in future tense, then the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Whatever tense there will be, that will not be changed. There will be changes only in the pronouns. Right? Clear. But if the tense of reporting speech is past, if the tense of reporting speech is past, then the tense of reported speech will be changed. How that will be changed? I've written here, please come here. So if the tense of reporting speech is past, then the tense of reported speech will be changed from present indefinite to past indefinite, from present indefinite to past indefinite, from present continuous to past continuous. Then from present perfect to past perfect, from present perfect to past perfect, then present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. Again, remember what I'm saying, that whenever, while changing from direct to indirect speech, whenever a reporting speech is past, whenever reporting speech is past, the tense of reported speech will be changed here according to these rules. So present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. Past definite, if the tense of reporting speech is past and the tense of reported speech is past indefinite, then past definite will be changed into past perfect. Past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. Then the tense of past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. Remember, whenever the tense of reporting speech is past, then these changes will happen. Okay. And if the tense of reporting speech is past and the tense of reported speech past perfect or past perfect continuous, they won't be changed. They will not be changed. Clear? So here no change. Fine. So present tense in this way, past tense in this way, and if tense of reported speech is past and the tense of reported speech is future, that may be future indefinite or future continuous or future perfect or future perfect continuous. So if the tense of reporting speech past and reported speech future, then what you will do? Just shall and will change into would. Shall and will be changed into would. Right? So no other change. The change of pronoun will be made, but the main, as far as tense is concerned, shall and will change into would. No more change will happen. So the second step, when you are going to learn direct to indirect speech narrations, when you are going to learn, the second important change will be the change of tense. The first was the change of the pronoun, and this is the change of tense. The second change is the change of tense. Okay. And tenses will be changed according to these rules. Okay. So whatever rules I have written here, the tense will be changed according to these rules. Now let's have some examples to implement these changes so that you may understand it how these changes will be made. Let's see here. For example, she said to me, you are writing an interesting story. You are writing an interesting story. So now the portion which is outside of comma is called reporting, which is inside, that is called reported speech. Now you're looking at here, reporting speech is past. So if it is past, then the tense of reported speech will be changed. How? This is R and first form ing means the present continuous. So this is present continuous, and present continuous change into past continuous tense. Present continuous will be changed to past continuous tense. Okay? Now see here, no change in the first portion. She said to me or she told me, both can be written. Okay, she said to me. That will be used as joining word. That will be used as joining word. She said to me that. Now the first change, the change of pronoun. Pronoun will be definitely changed. Now look here, what is the you? You is second person pronoun. And I told you that second person pronouns are changed according to the object of reporting speech. You is subject, and what is the subject of me? I. Subjective case of me is I. So you will be changed into I. She said to me that I. Now the tense, past tense, and this is present continuous, will be changed to past continuous tense. So now come towards the past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, whenever active voice, we will write was and were. With I, we will write was as a helping verb. So he said to me that I was writing an interesting story. I was writing an interesting story. So what you have observed, two changes were made. The first change of pronoun and the second change of tense. Why we made this change of tense? Because reporting speech is past. Fine. Suppose if reporting speech would not be past, it would be present or future, then your tense will not be changed. Fine. For example, I give you an example. Same thing. She says to me. Now what you are looking at? Tense is present. Clear? So when tense is present, your tense of reported speech will not be changed. Present continuous will remain present continuous. What you will have to do? You will just change the pronoun. Use second person according to object, it will be changed. It is subjective case, and subjective case of me is I. So you will be changed to I. And tense won't be changed. In present continuous tense, we will write am with I as helping verb. So now there is only one change. That is the change of pronoun. Fine. So the main thing is that whenever your tense of reported speech is reporting speech is past, then the tense of reported speech will be changed according to these rules. Okay, now let's say some example of future as well. Okay, have some example of future as well. He said to us, you will be wasting my time. You will be wasting my time. He said to us, you will be wasting my time. So look here what's happening. He said to us, you will be wasting my time. No tense is future continuous. This is past. Reporting speech is past. So here what you will do as for tense is concerned, just will be changed into verb. Okay. So he said to he said to us that used as joining word, the first change, which is a change of pronoun, you is second person, it will be changed according to object. You is subject, and what is the subject of us? The subjective case of us is we. So he said to us that we now will be changed into would be, because reporting speech is past. So he said to us that we would be wasting. Now my is also pronoun, and it will be changed. My is first person possessive case, and first person pronouns are changed according to the subject of reporting speech. My is possessive case, and what is the possessive case of he? The possessive case of he is his. So he said to us that we would be wasting his time. We would be wasting his time. He said to us that we would be wasting his time. So you're looking at there are two pronouns which we changed. Your second person we changed according to object, according to the object of second person. If you remember the formula of son, S1 son, I told you that pronouns will be changed according to the formula of son. S means subject. That first person pronouns will be changed according to subject of reporting speech. O, second person means will be changed according to object. O means object of reporting speech, and third person pronoun will not be changed. So you is second person, it will be changed according to object is us. You is subjective case, and what is subjective case of us? We. First change. And my first person pronoun possessive case of he is his, and the tense will change into would. Why? Because reporting speech is past. So reporting speech is past, so that's why that tense was changed. Okay, so we have taken one example of present tense, one example of future tense of reported speech while learning the change of tense. Now there should be another example of the past tense. Okay, let's have some example of the past. I said to him, you solved the sum excellently. I said to him, you solved the sum excellently. I said to him, you solved the sum excellently. So look here, in this example, what happening is your reported speech is past, and your reported speech is also past. Both are past tenses, okay? What I told you that this is past definite. Why? Because no helping verb and second form of verb. Well, I told you that if reporting speech is past and it's past definite, it will be changed into past perfect tense. So here we are going to change this tense to past perfect tense. Okay, let's see here. I said to him, that will be joining word. You use second person according to object. You is subjective case, and subjective was he is, him is he. The subjective case of him is he. So I said to him that he. Now the tense changing. Why tense will be changed? Because the reporting speech is past. So past definite will be into past perfect. In past perfect, had is used as helping verb, and third form of solved is also solved. Clear? So both solved are the same. This is second form, and this is third form. Second form and third form. Okay. So I said to him that he had solved the sum excellently. Okay. So this is a very okay class. I have given you an example of present tense, past tense and future tense. So whenever your reporting speech is in present or future, tense of reported speech will not be changed. But whenever it is past, then the tense of reported speech will be changed. So this is the second change of learning of direct and indirect, which is the change of tense. Thank you, class.